The reason I'm making this video is I would like to share my experience of how to create a system that you continuously using the same system and repeating the steps so that you can constantly connect with your owner and also to source for a new listing that actually for your marketing. If today you are newbie in the real estate, or you are the junior, or you are a senior real estate negotiator, or you just someone that you like to come into this $1 million industry, this video, do not miss it. Hi guys, welcome to Emily Property TV channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to create a master listing chart broadcast list. So now, this is a time for you to do a level up system for your master listing. If you missed out my earlier video about the SMS blast and how to create a link to send it to the property owner, kindly go back to the earlier video so that you don't miss the fourth step. Here are some tips for you when you want to create your master listing chart. First of all, I would like you to go to Google to do some research before you start to create your master listing chart. You need to know how many levels is the properties, and also how many types of the property in the building, and how many units per floor, so that you can come up with the Excel format, follow the building structure. For example, if the property with 10 floors per unit and also is 10 story, now let me guide you how to draw the chart and you can convert this into an Excel sheet later. First of all, we need to draw a 10 units per floor and with 10 story. So we divide into 2. Back then in my old days, so I'm actually using it just by drawing, but now we can leverage on the technology and use Excel to create this simple building. So how we usually create it is actually follow the number. So example, this is a Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so this is a story. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 10. Alright, so it's actually so simple. And we will put it, this is a 1-1, 1-2, 1-3, or 5-1, 5-2, 5-3. Alright, so it's actually just follow the sequence. And after that, then we may need to put in the property owner name. Example, 5-3 is for sale. Alright, so then we indicate this is for sale. So we put it in the different color. Example, Unit 503 is for sale. So this one, we will actually mark it as probably pink color. And what we do is here, we will actually put in the name of the owner, Mr. Tan. And we also put in the handphone number. Okay. And the next unit probably is 10-6. Same thing, we will put in the color, we will highlight it, and after that, then we will put in the property owner's name, Miss Tan, and the phone number. Alright, so after you created this already, and it's only you need to do one time, you can repeat it and you can reuse it in the future. We take a close look at the chart. 503 and 1006. This part, we put in the name of the owner and we put in the phone number. It's easy to create a master listing chart for reviews purpose. You just need to key in all the property information like the name of the property owner, the unit number, the selling price, and also some remarks by putting in the comment into the Excel sheet. So this is the step of doing the master chart. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, kindly help me to like and share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I promise you will get a free video every week. Thank you so much. Bye.